Hi guys, welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. I am coming to you today because I just want to try to explain something to you guys so that when you go in the store, you'll know exactly what to do and how to do it. Okay, I have a few products here that I want to show you, and that's the Nexus. I bought last week when I went in, I bought 3 of these. Each one of these was $11.99, and the advertisement said, when you buy $30 worth of this product, you're going to get $10 back in extra care bucks. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write it out just to show you, because I realize that some of us are more visual and we need to see. So they were $11.99 each for each one. Okay, so they were $11.99 each. And the advertisement said when you buy 3, you're going to get $10 back in extra care bucks. So, let me let you see this. I hope you can see it right. Okay, so it says $11.99 each. And when you buy $30 worth, sorry, I said 3, but I should put you buy $30 worth. And this was at CVS. You buy $30 worth and you're going to get $10 back. Now, how would I decide how many I need to buy? So if I need $30 worth, I look at the $11.99. If I take the 99 and I just round it to a dollar sign. So I round it to the nearest dollar. So that's $12. So you figure if I buy 1, that would only be $12. That's not $30. So I'm not going to get any extra care bucks back for that. If I buy 2, that would only be $24. And that's not enough to get the extra care bucks. But if I buy 3, that's going to come out to $12, $24, $36, right? So that's going to, when I buy 3, it's going to equal $36, right? So now, with the $36, that's $36. So now I'm over by $6. Okay? But that's okay because I have coupons. My coupons were, I had coupons, and they were coupons that were from CVS. But each one of those coupons was worth $3. So I had $3 coupons, and I had 3 of them. So that equals 3 times 3 is what? When I multiply 3 times 3, it equals 9. So that was $9 that I had off. And that was CVS coupons. Then I had a $3 off of, I believe it was 18. $3 off, $18, right? So I had to buy $18 worth according to the CRT, which is a cash register tape, which comes out of the red box. And so I had to spend $18 in order to get 3. So then that's another $3 that I can add onto the $9, and that is going to equal $12. So far I have $12 off of the purchase of the product that I'm buying, which is the Nexus. And here it is. I've written it out for you. You see over here? So I have $12 off. And that's even including the CRT. That's what we call a CRT. Including the CRT. And so now, that's $12 off of the $36. So let me subtract 12 from that. And that leaves $24. All right, so that leaves me $24 that I have to pay unless I have some some extra care bucks or something like that. Now let's just say I have $20 in extra care bucks, right? I got $20. What do I have that I brought to the game? I brought $20 in extra care bucks. So now when I subtract that $20 from the 24, that leaves $4 that have to be paid in cash. You see that? I'm going to show you. That leaves $4 that have to be paid in cash. Okay? That's $4 that you're paying out of your pocket. Now, I'm getting $10 back from having bought 3 of the products. So, now I'm going to subtract $10 from $4. Why $4? Because that's how much I paid out of my pocket before tax. And that's going to leave me $6. Now, that $6 now becomes a money maker for me. That means that when I bought this product, I made $6 off of buying it. Okay? I want to show you. All right? So let's look here. I started with the product. It was $11.99 each. And it said when I buy $30 worth, I'm going to get $10 back in extra care bucks. All right? So the coupons that I had that I was going to use were, I had $3 coupons that were CVS coupons. So I had 3 of them, of course, because I had 3 products, right? So I had 3 of those coupons, which equals $9. Then I had a CRT, which equaled $3. Because it said when I buy $18 worth, I'm going to get an additional $3 off. So all together, I got $12 off. You see that? And I'm sorry that it's backwards. I don't know how to write the opposite way to make it come out the right way. So that was $3. And I had 3 of those $3 coupons, and it equaled $9. Plus I had a CRT of $3 that gave me $12 off. All right? And then 3 times 3, you multiply 3 times 3, that equals 9. And so that's $12. Then we go down a little further, and it's $3 off of an 18 CRT that I had. Okay. Now, I'm trying to figure out how much do I have to pay. So, it's three. Okay, I had to buy 3 at $36. Then I took the $12 off that I had in coupons. And 36 take away 12 equals 24. But where'd I get 20 from? See, I done lost myself now. I done got lost. Okay. 12 from 24 is 20. I forgot what this was. I'm sorry. So, I minus... Okay, 12 take that is 24. Okay, let me stop it a minute until I figure it out. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm back. I got it together now. Okay, so as I was saying, you're going to buy $30. You're going to get $10 back in extra care bucks. So here we see that each one of the Nexus products was $11.99, but I just rounded it off to the nearest dollar, and so that I said it was 12, 24, 36. So 3 of them equal $36. So I subtracted $12 away from $36. What does the $12 represent? The $12 represent how much I had in actual coupons. Like I said, I had 3 CVS coupons and another CVS coupon out of the red box. So that was $9. Okay? Then I had $20 in extra care bucks. That's what that 20 represent. $20 in extra care bucks. So out of pocket, when I subtracted 20 from 24, it left 4. So out of pocket, I had to pay $4 plus whatever tax I had to pay. And over here, I subtracted $10 in extra care bucks that I earned, that I got for having bought 3 of these products. And it left me, then I subtracted that from the $4 that I had to pay. And then it came out being a $6 moneymaker for me. So you see how that goes. It's a little difficult, but once you write out what it is you're doing, and you name everything that you're doing, it gets to be a little bit more easier. Okay, I hope that's helped. I'm going to go over it briefly again before I stop the video. Okay, so I went into CVS and I bought 3 of these products, the Nexus product. Each one was $11.99. I took the $11.99 and I rounded it to 12. So that's 12, 24, 36, $36. Then I had $3 coupons that were from CVS. I got those coupons from CVS. Then I also had another coupon where when you'll get an additional $3 off when you buy, I believe it was $18 worth. It could have been $14, but I'll say $18. When you buy $18, and because I had $36 worth of the product, I wasn't worried. I knew that coupon was going to work. So altogether, I had $12 in coupons that I could use. All right? So, remember I said it was $36. I subtracted the $12 coupons from $36. That left $24. Then I had $20 in extra care bucks that I had earned from another transaction. So I used the $20 in extra care bucks, subtract $20 that I had in extra care bucks from $24, which I would have had to pay out of pocket if I didn't have any extra care bucks. But I had extra care bucks, so I was able to use it. So that left me having to pay out of pocket $4. I got back $10 in extra care bucks for having bought 3 of the Nexus product. So when I subtracted the 10 from the 4 from the 10, it left me 6. So I made $6 on this transaction. Okay, I hope this helps. Some of you have been asking me how to figure out things when you're in the store, but the most important thing you have to remember is to match your coupons. Make sure you have a CVS coupon or whatever store you're shopping at. Make sure that you have the proper coupons that you need. And it could be if you're shopping at CVS, if you're shopping at Rite Aid, wherever you're shopping, make sure you have those coupons. And if there's store coupons, then you could use a manufacturer's coupon, and you can use a CRT, or a CRT is the same as the coupon out of the red box. You could use that. And then you just add all of them together to see how much you have to pay and how much you're going to save. And you could be approximate with it. If you just want to be on point with it, you could add the tax. But I don't ever do that. Most of the time I'm figuring it out in my head, and I have an idea of how much I'm going to end up paying. Okay, sometimes I pay too much, or my total comes up too much, and I say, oh, no. Let's see if we can lower the total out of pocket. All right, so I hope this helps. If you need more information, let me know, okay? I'll be more than happy to give it to you. Splint Rose signing out. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up this video. Press the notification button so you'll be notified whenever I put up a video. Okay, guys, love you much. Take care.